Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix if your Wi-Fi disconnects frequently in Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type view network connection. Click on open it. Right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select properties. Select configure and select power management tab and uncheck this option guys. Allow the computer to turn off this device to save power. After unchecking it, select OK. Now, if this doesn't fix to your problem, let's move on to the second solution, guys. You just need to right click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select properties. Select configure. Select advanced tab. After selecting the advanced tab, in my case, I am using Ethernet connection. That's why I can't show this solution, guys. You just need to select 802.11n mode, and after selecting this option you just need to click on this drop down in the value and set to disabled guys. After selecting it you can check if the problem solved or not. If this also doesn't fix your problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. You just need to go to search menu and type settings, click on open it, select network and internet. On right side, select your Wi-Fi. In my case, I am using Ethernet. That's why I'm gonna select this. After selecting your Wi-Fi, you just need to click on this network profile type to private network. After selecting it, just close it off here and check if the problem solved or not. If this also doesn't fix your problem, then let's move on to the fourth solution, guys. You just need to go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In here you just need to search for WLAN auto config. You just need to double click on it, set the startup type to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it. Select apply and OK for save changes. Just to close it off here. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem, guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like, guys. You can also subscribe me and support me, guys. Thank you.